Okay, so I've been seeing so many threads posts saying that they've lost like $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, $50,000 in their retirement accounts. And I'm like saying to myself, how? How? You didn't lose it. The value just went down. And mostly in retirement accounts, if you do look at it every now and then, and if you do choose your own investments in there, are for the most part in solid index funds and mutual funds. So you didn't lose the money, because the only way to lose the money is if you sold out of those positions. That is the only way. And I doubt like 99% of people sold out of their positions in their retirement accounts whenever I read stuff like that. They might even be like rage bait posts, but it's insane to think that too, because obviously a lot of people, the only time you have to start taking contributions from your retirement is around 70 years old. So if you're like me at 35, you got another 35 years to go. And my retirement account is down a solid amount, probably like 30, 40 grand. But am I panicking? No, I am not, because I technically have 30 to 35 years of working. If I want to work as a nurse for the next 30 years, I'm consistently going to be putting money into my 403b, my retirement account, and it's going to consistently grow and compound over time. And that's what you have on your side. You have time on your side, because time and the compounding interest and the constant reinvestment of the dividends, the capital gains, everything that happens in a retirement account will compound over time, and your value will grow, and grow. And I know it seems crazy right now, because with this presidency, the market's swinging 20 points either which way, but it's okay. It's okay. Like, don't panic. Fear will kill your money. Do not panic. Look at what you have in your accounts and don't worry about it, because if you plan on working for the next 10, 15, 20 years, I wouldn't be worried about the stock market right now. Whatever's in there is in there, and let it ride, you know? And if you're like me, where you're contributing to your 403b or 401k weekly or bi-weekly, I've never changed my contribution even when the stock market dropped. So I've been constantly buying as the stock market went down, and even with these increases up, I'm constantly buying on the way up. So that's what you have to do, because on the way down, when I've been buying those specific shares that I've been buying of the index funds, mutual funds, whatever it is in my retirement account, has now gained significant value, like 10 to 20%, because that's how much the market jumped up again when it hit that bottom, right? So I was buying all the way down. So I bought right at the bottom again, and then I'm buying on the way back up. So those shares that I'm buying on the way down now are gaining more, just gaining more traction. They're getting more money from those. So this is like how millionaires are made. This is how retirement accounts are funded the best, is in these downturn markets where you didn't succumb to that fear of, what am I going to do with my money? You didn't succumb to that fear of, oh, maybe I shouldn't invest and I should just be cash heavy. No, if you have a stable job and you're able to pay your bills, put food on the table, constantly keep investing, guys. Like, you have to keep investing. If you don't want to work past retirement age, you got to keep investing. If you want to retire early, like potentially retire early, you have to keep investing. These are like the simple things that it's wild that I have to educate this, or even like tell you, is that just keep investing. And as long as they're in like the S&P 500 index funds, NASDAQ index funds, highly like high value, great fundamentally sound stocks, you're gonna do just fine in this market. And like I said, time is on your side. especially if you're not retiring anytime soon. Time is on your side. Like, yeah, do I feel sorry about the people that are potentially wanted to retire by like July this year? You might have to push that back a little bit unless you have a pension, unless you have your own other accounts where you could draw money from. Like, I personally wouldn't touch my retirement account until it starts hitting the numbers that it was at the previous highs. Like, if you have more time for it to grow before you're forced to take contributions from retirement, that's what I personally would do. And it, to be honest, I don't even understand why people are like taking 401k loans or 403b loans right now, because these are the times where you probably should have kept your money in there. Like, obviously, I don't know everyone's personal finance situation, but if you have a stable job, I wouldn't be taking money out of like a 401k or 403b, your retirement. I wouldn't be axing my retirement just to feel a little bit safer today, because uh, I feel like there's always ways to make more money. Like, I know the job market is hard, but there's always ways that you'll be able to make money out here. And taking from retirement, being fearful and panicking is not the way to do it. So this is my little rant about you didn't lose the money until you sold. Don't sell out of your 401ks, your 403bs. Don't take loans out of it. Like, let the money continue to compound, especially if you still see yourself working for the next 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 years. We're all going to be just fine. And let me know what you guys think about all of this. Let me know what you guys think about retirement accounts. Let me know what you guys think about how the markets are. And guys, you don't even need to subscribe. I want to put out as much content like this as possible. So if you like what you like, and if you come back, I appreciate you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.